Welcome back. In this video we're going to look at how we can customize the dashboards in B1up. Let's start in the settings in the top right hand corner. There are a number of things we can do. We can add views. The dashboards, each dashboard is called a view. So this whole screen is a view, and across the top here, sales, purchases, finance, these are all views. So we can choose to add another view or edit one that's there, but we're going to look at editing the content of it in the dashboard widgets themselves. Now we'll choose, if we look at the sales overview, which is what we were looking at before, I can hop in and go in to edit it. Now from here we're looking at the sales one there, but I could make a bit of space in here, or I could just click on chart and it's created a new chart here. What are we going to display in the chart? We can go up to data source and create new ones, or we can pick a default or one from a list here. There's one for this particular dashboard. We have multiple queries that are set up for the different charts, and if I pick the last 12 months sales, we then need to decide what we're going to display. What's the value of our chart going to be? And we might want to look at our sales value, and we might also want to know what the gross profit is. So I can just pop them in there, and then what do we want across the bottom? We want the dates. So if I pop that into the argument field, we now have a chart in here, and it's looking at it by year. This is 2020 and 2021, but I can click on here and I can say we don't want it by year, we want it by quarter, or we want it by month, for instance. We can just change that, and there it is. Now we're showing our legend. That was in there because in the design we said show legend, and we can edit the names here because it says chart 1, and if we call it new chart, then we have new chart here with our legend, the amounts and the gross profit parts across the 12 months, and it's done.